Could the future of artificial intelligence be so advanced that it becomes indistinguishable from human intelligence? That's a question that has been at the center of heated debates among scientists, researchers, and even philosophers. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of AI, specifically focusing on the advancements and potential of GPT-5. Our journey into the realm of artificial intelligence begins with a discussion between two of the most influential figures in the tech world, Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, and Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft. They share intriguing insights, predictions, and ethical considerations surrounding the development of AI. It's important to understand that GPT-5 isn't just another step in the evolution of AI. It's a revolutionary development that has the potential to change the way we interact with technology, and possibly even with each other. Imagine being able to communicate with a machine just as you would with another human being. That's the kind of future that GPT-5 could make possible. Altman and Gates discussed the potential benefits of such advancements, such as the ability for AI to understand and respond to complex human emotions, but they also acknowledge the ethical dilemmas that come with it. If a machine can understand and mimic human emotions, where do we draw the line between artificial and genuine emotion? And what implications does this have for human interactions and relationships? In their discussion, Altman and Gates also touch on the potential risks of AI. They highlight the need for careful regulation and oversight to prevent misuse and ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that benefits humanity as a whole. It's a delicate balancing act, harnessing the power and potential of AI while also ensuring it doesn't pose a threat to our society or our values. But it's not all doom and gloom. The advancements in AI also present incredible opportunities. Imagine AI being used to help solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from climate change to global poverty. With its ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data, AI could provide solutions that are beyond human capacity. The conversation between Altman and Gates provides a fascinating glimpse into the future of artificial intelligence. It's a future that's filled with potential, but also one that requires careful thought and consideration. As we continue to push the boundaries of AI, we must also ensure that we're doing so in a way that's ethical, responsible, and ultimately beneficial to all of humanity. In summary, the advancements and potential of GPT-5 are truly groundbreaking. But as with any powerful technology, it comes with its own set of challenges and ethical considerations. The future of AI is an exciting yet complex landscape, and it's up to us to navigate it responsibly.